Hello. Today I want us to talk about Texting Factory. But before we do, here is a quick announcement. We are looking forward to employ as many chat moderators as possible. We have plenty ready accounts offering chat moderation jobs, which we are either selling them and also giving them out to our trainees to work on them. After training, the deal is that after we give you the account, we will take 10% of your earning, while the moderators goes home with 90%. Is it a good deal? If it is, don't fail to reach out to us either via a direct message, a comment, or via our WhatsApp number in our profile. Now let's get back to the topic. The Texting Factory is a platform that hires chat moderators and remote workers to engage in text-based conversations with clients. The company provides a variety of services, including customer support, virtual assistant services, and chat moderation. The Texting Factory is known for its flexible work schedules and work-from-home opportunities. It provides training and support to its remote workers and encourages them to work independently and manage their own time. The platform is a good option for people who are looking for part-time or full-time remote work and enjoy engaging in online conversations with people. Here are a few other things you should know about the Texting Factory. Pay rate. The Texting Factory pays its workers based on the number of messages they send and receive, and the specific rate varies depending on the type of service you provide. Location requirements. The Texting Factory hires remote workers from several countries, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. Training and support. The Texting Factory provides comprehensive training and support to its remote workers, including on-the-job training, feedback sessions, and ongoing support from team managers. Workload. The workload for remote workers at the Texting Factory can vary depending on the type of service and the client's needs. Some workers may have a constant stream of messages, while others may have more downtime. Communication. The Texting Factory encourages its remote workers to communicate with their team managers regularly to discuss workloads, feedback, and any other issues that may arise. And lastly, room for advancement. The Texting Factory offers opportunities for advancement for remote workers who perform well and demonstrate leadership skills.